Purple. This is the story of Princess Purple, a pretty princess who had the color purple. But there is a problem, a big problem. That Princess Purple does not like any other color. No, not yellow, not blue, not red, not green, not even pink. Everything must be purple. Her dress, her shoes, her sock, not even everything must be purple. If not, gets very, very angry.
Okay.
This toothpaste, this toothpaste is not purple. I don't like it. She screamed on the purple background. The king and queen are getting worried. Perhaps our friends can help. Let's invite them to have a birthday party, said the queen.
Good idea,
Said the king.
She's purple problem is too big problems for me.
The host of the party has traveled from Minorca and offers a beautiful pair of espadrilles. No! Black! I don't like them! The first guest is from India and offers a silk sarong. No! Yellow! I don't like it! A boy from Mexico offers a poncho. No! Green! I don't like it! Time passes at the queen and everybody in the palace is worried. Until a very handsome prince arrives. I have two special flowers for a special princess. No, red and blue, I don't! Stop, said the prince. Look, the prince mixed the petals with water and said, now the flower. Wow! My favorite color, said the princess. Now close your eyes, smell the flower, feel the flower. They are all beautiful, just like you. The princess listens to the prince and is very, very happy. She smiles and says, I like the red flowers and the blue, and they really, really like you. The end. Princess Purple. This is the story of Princess Purple, a pretty princess who loves a color purple. But that is the problem, a big problem. Princess does not like any other color. No!
No yellow, no blue, no red, no green, not even pink. Everything must be purple. Her dress, her shoes, her socks.
It's not purple! I don't like it! She screamed one day in her bathroom. The king and queen are busy working. Perhaps our friends can help. Let's invite them to have a birthday party, said the queen. Good idea, said the king. This purple problem is too big for me.
The fourth guest at the party has traveled from Menorca and offers a beautiful pair of strawberries.
The next guest is... No! Black! I don't like them! The next guest is from India and offers a silk saree. No! Yellow! I don't like it! A boat from Mexico. A boat from Mexico offers a poncho. No! Green! I don't like it!
That passes on the queen. The king is... And the king and everybody in the palace is worried until a very handsome prince arrives. I have to place some flowers for princess.
No! Red and blue! I don't!
Stop!
Said the prince.
No!
The prince mixes petals in water. Wow! My favorite color!
And smell the flowers. Feel the flowers.
They are
so beautiful, just like you.
The princess listens to the prince and is very, very happy. She smiles and says, I like the red flowers and the blue, and I really like you.
yes.
The end.